Are you having a child soon? It'll be a joyous occasion when you can finally bring them back home with you from the hospital. However, you'll need to clean up your home first. Here's a cleaning checklist to help you prepare your home for the day your newborn arrives. The first is to choose non-toxic cleaning supplies. You don't want your baby to be exposed to harsh chemicals that could harm their skin or lungs. Look for products with labels that say, hypoallergenic, fragrance-free, or safe for babies. You could also make your own cleaning solutions using ingredients like vinegar, baking soda, and lemon juice. In any case, always make sure your home is properly ventilated and all surfaces are thoroughly rinsed after applying the cleaning solutions. To make the preparations more manageable, start cleaning up at least a month before your due date. Focus on the nursery, kitchen, and bathroom first. These are the most critical areas for your newborn. Spread out the cleaning over several days or weeks to avoid exhausting yourself. Don't be afraid to ask your family and friends for help too. Now, if you want to carry your cleaning supplies around easily, place them on a trolley. It'll be less tiring for you to move from room to room. When cleaning each room, make sure to clean and sanitize all the surfaces. You should also wash and disinfect your baby's clothes and accessories. Be sure to have the beddings laundered too. It would also be a good time to organize the drawers and closets. You can also set up sanitizing stations with hand sanitizers and disposable wipes and towels in each room. Don't forget to declutter so your home will be easier to tidy up when the baby arrives. If you haven't stocked up on baby essentials like diapers and milk yet, now would be the time to do so. You might want to prepare meals in advance as well. When the baby's at home, cooking will be the last thing on your mind for the coming weeks. And lastly, set up your nursing area where it's convenient for you and the child. Supplies like towels and bottles should be within arm's reach. All this work seems quite daunting, no? If you need help getting your home ready, consider calling Kung Fu Helper. Our team has the tools and training to make sure your place is clean and comfortable for you and your newborn. Your well-being matters to us, so let the experts do the hard work for you.